Hello everyone.
So today we will explain about when do organizations have to adopt hybrid and community cloud models. So we have given you the previous videos. So watch it. If you like, then subscribe the channel given below. So today we will describe about why and when do organizations have to adopt hybrid and community cloud deployment models. So first, organizations just like adopt hybrid and community model deployment models, but when they require a balance between the flexibility, cost efficiency, control and collaboration. So these models are chosen based on the specific data sensitivity, workload requirements, regularity demands, and collaborative needs of the organization. So first, hybrid cloud deployment models. So a hybrid cloud generally combines both private and public cloud infrastructures, so allowing data and applications to the share between them. So organizations adopt these models when they want to leverage the scalability of the public cloud while maintaining security and control over critical operations in a cloud which can be private. And in organization, how they adopt hybrid cloud or when they handle sensitive data, example customer records, financial data that must remain on premises. So while offloading less sensitive workloads, example analytics or backup to the public cloud. They require scalable infrastructures for variable workloads such as seasonable spikes in traffic. They need to be gradually migrated to the cloud without abandoning existing infrastructures. They want to optimize cost by balancing between the pay-as-you-go public and the fixed cost private cloud. So in example, we can have Qno.6. So it stores customers data and billing informations in its private cloud for compliance, but uses the public cloud to run promotional campaigns. So second, community cloud deployment models. A community cloud is shared by the multiple organizations with a similar interests, policies or compliance needs. So it can be managed by the organization themselves or by a third party. So organization adopts community cloud when they operate in highly regulated industries such as healthcare, finance or education, where data privacy and compliance are essential. Multiple organizations want to share infrastructures and cost while maintaining customized governance and security controls. There is a need for collaboration on joint projects or research that involves shared datasets or common standards. So in example, we can have universities and research centers or institutions collaborating on a climate change modeling may use a community cloud to share computing resources, research data and software tools while keeping access restricted to the members only. So that's all for today. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.